Before watching the video, I invite you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Make your liver happy with this medicinal plant. This medicinal plant has been known since ancient times by the inhabitants of Mediterranean countries. In 400 BC, milk thistle was used as a coffee substitute, where its seeds were roasted and consumed as a drink. Additionally, milk thistle was used as a remedy for liver and stomach ailments. Finally, the plant was also cultivated throughout Europe and used as an ingredient in salads. If you are subscribed to this channel and have had liver problems in the past, you probably already know how beneficial milk thistle can be. Its scientific name is Xylobum marianum, and it is also known as milk thistle or white thistle. The plant has amazing medicinal properties that you will discover. It's good for the heart. The plant is able to lower the level of bad cholesterol (LDL), thus reducing the risk of developing arterial and heart problems. Help in the treatment of diabetes. Research has shown that milk thistle may benefit people with diabetes. Proper intake of milk thistle can help lower blood sugar levels, researchers say, and improve cholesterol levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Protects the liver. Milk thistle can be used in the treatment of liver disease because it is able to regenerate the cells of this organ. Milk thistle can be used as a supplement, under medical supervision, in the treatment of liver problems such as hepatitis, jaundice, fibrosis, cirrhosis, hepatic steatosis, degeneration and necrosis. It also helps increase bile secretion, which is important for regulating digestion and the absorption of fats and vitamins. Helps fight inflammation. Silymarin, found in milk thistle juice and seeds, is an excellent antioxidant. It neutralizes the action of free radicals and protects the body from oxidation. According to experts, the antioxidant effect of silymarin is 10 times stronger than that of vitamin E. For this reason, it is able to protect organs such as brain, prevention and support in the treatment of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, kidneys, regeneration of cells and prevention of poisoning, prevention of kidney death due to diabetes and other diseases, pancreas, protection of the pancreas against toxic chemical compounds, and improved glucose metabolism. Blood cells, protection of blood cells, helping to control ferritin levels in the blood. Improves the health of the gastrointestinal tract, thanks to its effect on the bacteria in the intestines. Milk thistle may help improve gastrointestinal health. Helps treat cancer. Studies have shown that milk thistle has properties which inhibit the growth of cancer cells and cause tumors to shrink. Silymarin can be used to prevent skin cancer, which is caused by the use of chemicals and ultraviolet rays. It may also reduce the side effects of medications used to treat cancers of the mouth, breast, cervix, prostate, colon, bladder and liver. It is anti-inflammatory and immunomodulatory. Due to the presence of silymarin, milk thistle can be used to treat inflammation such as arthritis and rhinitis, and immune disorders like psoriasis. Did you like to know more about this little flower? Milk thistle tea can be prepared with 1 teaspoon of mashed fruit and 1 cup of boiling water. Leave to infuse for 15 minutes, filter it and drink 3 to 4 cups a day. Moreover, milk thistle is also available in the form of capsules or tablets. Taking milk thistle can cause allergic reactions in people allergic to artichokes, kiwis, daisies, marigolds, and chrysanthemums. It should be remembered that taking milk thistle is not recommended for children and pregnant women. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. I wish you a good health.